Thank you, beautiful flowers. Yes. Let's check what's inside. I saw this. I saw that too. Lovebirds. Lovers. They are lovebirds. Look. They are lovebirds, you know. They are doing sunbathing in Koto-Koto. They're doing sunbathing in Koto-Koto. Na-check-in it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can we pass by? Can we pass by, lovebirds? Laura. Laura sister from Skipping Team.